Our verse for today is in Hebrews chapter 8, verses 8 to 12. But God found fault with the people and said, "The time is coming, declares the Lord, when I will make a new covenant with the house of Israel, with the house of Judah. It will not be like the covenant I made with their forefathers when I took them by the hand to lead them out of Egypt, because they did not remain faithful to my covenant, and I turned away from them, declares the Lord. This is the covenant I will make with the house of Israel after that time, declares the Lord. I will put my laws in their mind and write them on their hearts. I will be their God, and they will be my people. No longer will a man teach his neighbor or a man his brother, saying, 'Know the Lord,' because they will all know me, from the least of them to the greatest. For I will forgive their wickedness and will remember their sins no more." That's our verse for today. Ante. Hindi. Ako, para sa akin, napakaganda nitong sinabi dito ngayon kasi God says here that He is making a new covenant between He and His people. And that's us. Diba? Sinasabi dito na it is important na for this new covenant to happen is ang pinakasimula niyan is mapatawad ni Lord lahat ng kasalanan natin. Sabi dito, di ba? For I will forgive their wickedness and will remember their sins no more. Napakabuti ng Panginoon, di ba? Despite of everything na ginawa natin sa Kanya, sa lahat ng pagiging greedy natin, makasarili natin, and we praise and worship other gods, di ba? Despite of those things na ginagawa natin, hindi na nagpi-please or nagpapasaya sa Kanya, He still make a way. He still makes a way para mapalapit tayo sa Kanya. And that is by making a new covenant between us and Him. Covenant? Parang, ano bang covenant? Parang relationship, parang ganun ata. Or yung parang, basta kayo magbubuklod sa atin sa Panginoon. Parang ganun. So, and it's very important. Kasi sa totoo lang tayo, hindi natin kayang maging sinless di ba? Yung parang walang kasalanan na tao. Kasi, nature ng tao talagang nagkakamali. And hindi tayo perfecto talaga. But God will accept us no matter what. Diba? Sabi nga niya, He is willing to make a new covenant with us. Alam niya na nahihirapan tayo, na sundin yung mga utos niya. So, ang gagawin niya, itatanim niya sa puso natin at isipan natin yung kanyang mga salita. Diba? And, napakaganda nun kasi that will only, that would guide us sa araw-araw na ginawa ng Panginoon. Diba? And that will help us to sin less and draw closer to the Lord. Diba? So, alam ng Panginoon na hindi tayo perfecto. Kaya sinasabi pa lang niya, sa umpisa pa lang, bago pa man din niya banggitin yung covenant or pinaplano pa lang niya yung covenant, sinasabi na niya na I will forget their sins no more. Diba? Napaka-forgiving ng ating Panginoon. And napaka-importante na maalala natin yan. Kasi minsan sa totoo lang nakakahiyang lumapit sa Panginoon dahil sa napakarami nating nagagawang kasalanan sa araw-araw. But God is telling you today, He doesn't count your mistakes. Hindi niya tinatanim sa puso at isip niya yun. Ang nangunguna sa Kanya ay ang pagmamahal niya sa iyo. So, go back to the Lord, repent, ask for forgiveness, and make a new covenant with the Lord. That's our verse for today.